Recently, Rohit, a 41-year-old male, came into my OPD. Well, Rohit is a successful entrepreneur with two kids and leading a good life in US. He had come home to visit his parents during the vacation. Well, I asked him casually, "How can I help you?" So he told me, "Doc, I had this feeling for the last 6 months or 1 year that I don't feel connected with my body anymore. I'm happy, I'm successful, I'm earning very well, I have my own company, but still I feel disconnected. The most important thing is my face looks tired." I handed him the mirror and asked him what bothers him the most in his face. Well, his top concerns were the baggy eyelids, especially the lower eyelids, along with the droopy upper eyelids, plus the sagginess on the face. "Doc, these are the main things that bothers me. It's not that I'm worried about it or I'm concerned that I'll want to look like a 20-year-old or 25-year-old myself. But it's just that that tired look is affecting me somehow and I want to connect back with my body." Then we had a chat for quite a bit. Now I explained that, "Rohit, this is not just a 40-year-old man who has just come across these changes and this has come out of nowhere. Well, the fact is, your midlife is a compression. On one side, you have responsibilities which increase with time. On the other side, the free time decreases. If you weigh the stress is always more, the sleep is always less. Plus, your activities which used to give you fun, those decrease. The activities which are essential, especially taking care of the parents, taking care of your child, does not give that much time to yourself." This is the story of all the successful entrepreneurs, be it doctors, be it MNC executive. This is everywhere. Now, has it happened immediately? No. This is chronic stress accumulation. At 25, our body recovers very well. But as we age, the response that we get from our body decreases. Your inflammation levels increases if you're not following the sleep cycle. The cortisol level increases. That leads to more inflammation. That shows on your face and other parts of the body. It basically leads to collagen breakdown. That shows in the sagginess of the skin. It leads to accumulation of the fat in the tummy region, which is known as the visceral fat. It leads to droopiness of the eyelids and the face because now the skin has sagged and you have lost volume on the face also. It requires strategic refinement that just not involves the surgery but a holistic approach so that the results last not just today but forever. Well, what we advised him was part of strategic refinement. That means a tool, that is a blepharoplasty, upper and lower blepharoplasty, along with some fillers in which we included the body fat so that the skin again rejuvenates, plus a holistic plan that focused not just on the sleep, stress, but on the nutrition and the strength training part also. Now, when all these things combine, the results are there for you to see. I received a call from Rohit after like 4 weeks when he went back to US. We did a video call and he was so happy. "Doc, I'm not tired anymore." That was his expression. And you can tell from his face that he was not only happy from the outside, but from the inside also. The dynamics of the relationship change, be it with the family or be it with the professional, and the happiness that is projected is felt deep down as a positive emotion. Now, that is what the concept of aesthetic longevity is, what we practice. This Be Beautiful campaign is part of that only. Every week, we intend to bring such transformation stories so that we can create the maximum impact and therefore refine your reflection. That means connected your inner and the outer self so that you can reach your maximum potential. Thank you so much for watching.